Good morning everyone. How are you? I'm expecting everyone is fine. So in the last class, we have completed all the types of operator along with the practical. So before, this is the time where we need to learn that how many ways we have to write a Python code. For the time being, we were using, as we are all are beginners, we were using Python interpreter, right? Python interpreter, as you are aware, that is a screen where you can write the code and you can see the output together. But class now, as we have started with the Python, so हर सेशन में there would be a different topics जिसमें code की length is automatically is going to increase. So now class, I thought this is the correct time where we can see that how many ways Python gives us to write a program. So before proceeding, I just want to ask you one thing. A simple print command, right? Imagine मुझे एक प्रिंट कमांड का आउटपुट बार बार देखना है, तो अब मेरे पास दो ऑप्शंस हैं. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, अगर आपको प्रिंट कमांड का जितनी बार आउटपुट देखना है उतनी बार प्रिंट कमांड लिखो. ठीक है, दिस इज माय फर्स्ट ऑप्शन अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, विच इज वेरी इरिटेटिंग और टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. कि भाई प्रिंट कमांड का आउटपुट देखना है तो बार बार प्रिंट कमांड ही देखते रहो. तो इसमें स्मार्ट वर्क कहाँ से हुआ? कंप्यूटर इज नॉन फॉर द स्मार्ट वर्क वेयर वी आर डूइंग और मेकिंग आवर एफर्ट लेस. यहाँ पर तो एफर्ट्स ही बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. ठीक है ना. सेकेंड ऑप्शन, जिसपे वी आर राइटिंग द प्रिंट कमांड ओनली वंस और आउटपुट देखने के लिए एक बटन है, जितनी बार प्रेस करोगे उतनी बार आउटपुट आता जाएगा. ठीक है, आपको चेंजेस करने हैं तो चेंजेस भी एक ही जगह पे कर दो, बटन प्रेस करो, आउटपुट अपडेट हो जाएगा. दिस इज माय टाइप्स ऑफ मोड क्लास. सो पाइथन गिव्स यू टू टाइप्स ऑफ मोड्स. That is our first interactive mode and second is my script mode. So in the interactive mode, so let's begin. So class, this is the interactive mode. Interactive mode is also known as Python interpreter. The thing basically which we have started from our first class. We are beginners, so beginners always use Python interpreter. Why? There is a reason behind it. Because we always want a simple screen जहाँ पर हम जो नई चीज़ें सीख रहे हैं उसको प्रैक्टिकल करके देख सके. Like this. It is very simple to open a Python interpreter. Go to all programs, type Python, click here. ठीक है, this is my Python interpreter. This is known as my interactive mode. So what is the meaning of interactive mode? Code writing on Python interpreter where we are writing the code and seeing the output together, which sometimes create confusion. In this, if we want to see the output again and again, then we need to retype the code, which consume time and efforts. How? Let's see. If you want to just type a print hello, right? What is happening to me? Okay, fine. ठीक है, this is the print line. This is the output. If you want to see the output again, you need to retype the command. Then you are able to see the output. See? So how many times I have written the print command? 1, 2, 3. ये तो अभी एक सिंगल प्रिंट कमांड है. अगर मेरे पास एक क्वेश्चन होता कि you need to accept 2 numbers from the user and display the sum, तो सोचो कोड कितना लेंदी हो जाता. तो इस केस में अगर मुझे दूसरी बार भी यूजर से नंबर एक्सेप्ट करने हैं, तो it means I need to retype the code again and again, which is very time consuming. So this thing we can override with the help of one mode, that is my script mode, right? I'm just showing a simple example, then I'll tell you how to use it. Are you able to see one file with the name prog1 on my desktop? Just right click on it. See what I have written in this. I'm just accepting a number, I'm storing in the A. Whatever the value has been entered by the user, I'm updating or editing, adding with the one number, which is my 7, and I'm updating in the same variable with the A. So whatever the user is going to enter, I'm just adding with the value 7, and I'm saving on the same variable, and in the next line I'm just printing it. ठीक है, this is my code. ठीक है, अगर ये हम यहाँ पर Python interpreter में लिखते, ठीक है, मुझे दोबारा अगर आउटपुट लेना होता तो मुझे उसको दोबारा टाइप करना पड़ता, विच इज़ वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. लेकिन इसमें देखिए प्लीज, यू नीड टू गो टू द रन, Click on the run module. See, a separate window is going to open, जिसमें it is message is showing enter number. So अब whatever the number I'm going to enter, that is going to store in a which variable name? A. ठीक है, and A plus 7 is become what? 84 and it is showing me the output. दोबारा आपको आउटपुट चेक करना है with a different number. Click on run module. Again it will come up here. Earlier I have entered 77. Now I am entering 8. 8 plus 4 is what? 15. Right? Again you want to see the output. Click on the run module. It is showing over here. I am entering 2. 2 plus 7 is what? 9. So class, this is the advantage of script mode, where you are writing the code once and you are seeing the output multiple times. ठीक है, ये हम पाइथन इंटरप्रेटर में नहीं कर सकते थे. दैट्स वाई व्हेन यू आर अ बिगनर, यू आर लर्निंग अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, तो स्टार्टिंग में हम पाइथन इंटरप्रेटर यूज करते हैं, लेकिन आफ्टर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद व्हाट? स्क्रिप्ट मोड. नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ टू मेक अ स्क्रिप्ट मोड, बट बिफोर दैट लेट्स कंप्लीट द थ्योरी. Script mode gives you a facility where first you need to write the whole code in the notepad and then see the output in the Python ideally. Basically it separates the concept of writing and showing the output. ये होना भी चाहिए, because being a human being we all lives in a real world. Real world में हम categorization में बहुत believe करते हैं. If you take an example of your school's notebook or tuition register, you always separates them. Why? Because it becomes easy for us to locate where is my school register and where is my tuition register, right? It makes my effort less and it becomes a task very easier for me, because it is taking less time to find something, because already I have categorized it. ऐसे ही आपकी अलमीरा की बात करें तो there is a concept of categorization of the clothes. There is one clothes where you regularly you are wearing it, and there are few clothes which you used to wear for a particular or special occasion. So this is my script mode where we are basically doing the categorization. Steps, how to use it? Let's go to the one step. First step is saying code writing you need to do in the notepad, but you need to save with one extension with the name, that is .py, at any location in your computer. So let's start with the first code. First you need to open a notepad. Every computer has a pre-installed notepad, no need to install it separately. This is my notepad. I am writing a code where the same code I am accepting a number, I am adding with the value 5 and I am displaying it. I am taking a number A. I want to accept a value without decimal, that's why I am typecasting with the integer. If you want you can typecast with the float also, it's your wish. Enter a number. Please close the double quotes twicely, because one is for input function and second for the int. After that what you want to do with the value entered by the user, मैं उसके अंदर 5 ऐड करवाना चाहती हूँ, ठीक है, और a is equal to a plus 5. You can do the shortcut also. आप ये भी लिख सकते हैं, वरना plus equals to 5 भी लिख सकते हैं. That's up to you. That is my assignment operator. We have done it, right? And after that you are going to print it. Print A. That is my file. I want to save in any location if I want to save, but for the time being I am saving it on desktop. So I am on already desktop. If you are not on the desktop, please click on the desktop, so that desktop should be appear here. You need to save it with the name prog, any name, but I am giving a prog. Prog is a short form of program. You can take it F1, F2 also, that is a function 1, function 2. So prog2 dot. That is the first line is saying that you need to write a code in the notepad and you need to give an extension that is .py. Py stands for Python. So here I am giving a py. Why I am giving a py? Because class I am writing a code in the normal notepad file. So now this is the time where I need to specially tell my computer कि see, this is not a normal file. This is my code written file in Python. That's why I am giving an extension .python. और by mistaken आपका कंप्यूटर इसको नॉर्मल नोटपैड की फाइल ना समझ ले जिसका एक्सटेंशन txt होता है. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू मेक इट ऑल फाइल्स. ऑल फाइल्स का मतलब होता है कंप्यूटर अब इसको txt नहीं, कौन सी फाइल समझेगा? पाइथन. क्यों? बिकॉज आपने एट द एंड यहाँ पर कौन सा एक्सटेंशन दिया है? .py. Click on save. Close this. Now are you able to see the proc2 here? Now second step. Second is saying after saving the file, go to the location where you have saved the file, right click on it and choose edit with IDLE. So class, this is my file. Right click, edit with IDLE, click here. So मेरा जो नोटपैड का कोड है ना, इसके बाद किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? पाइथन इंटरप्रेटर में. Are you able to see that? अपने आप colors have been changed. The input and int which is already predefined, right? It is coming in purple color and my message is coming in a green color. Up now, if you want to see the output, so now come to the third step. That is saying कि then one file will open with the code which you have written. That is already in front of us. Now if you want to see the output, you need to go to the run as module. Then output window will appear where you can see the output. Now see how to do it. Click on the run module, which is a short form of F5 also. Right? Now see, this is a very nice categorization where you have written a code here. Enter number 7. 7 plus 5 is equivalent to 12. You need to, again, you can press F5 also. That is F5 function keys, right? Now again it will going to, do it here. I am entering 2. 2 plus 5 is equivalent to 7. देखो, अगर कोई कोड में भी चेंज करना हो, अब मैं कोड में चेंज कर देती हूँ. यहाँ पर अब मैं एक नंबर की जगह कितने नंबर ले रही हूँ? 2 नंबर. b equals to int bracket open, input, enter second number. ठीक है, एंड प्लीज एंटर नंबर की जगह यहाँ पर क्या कर दो? फर्स्ट नंबर. देखो, पहले कोड बिल्कुल परफेक्ट चल रहा था. अब मैं कोड में भी चेंजेस कर सकती हूँ, तो मुझे कोड दोबारा बार लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. अब मैं यहाँ पर क्या ले रही हूँ? आई एम टेकिंग अनदर वेरिएबल विद द नेम सी एंड ए और बी की जो भी वैल्यू है सी में आ जाएगी और हम किसको डिस्प्ले करवा देंगे? सी को. ठीक है क्लास. आपको अगर अब ये वाला आउटपुट चाहिए तो सिर्फ आपको फाइल में जाके क्या करना पड़ेगा? सेव. एंड सी, अर्लियर मेरा पूरा कोड अब चेंज हो चुका है. आपको दोबारा से किस पे करना है? रन मॉड्यूल. नाउ सी, एंटर फर्स्ट नंबर 5, सेकेंड नंबर 4, आउटपुट वुड बी 9. अगेन यू वांट टू रन. देखो, रन मॉड्यूल. अगेन मेरा कोड अपडेट हो गया. एंटर फॉर नंबर 6 एंड 33, द आउटपुट वुड बी 39. ठीक है. So class, this is a professional way where you are writing the code at once and you are seeing the output at another place. कुछ भी changes करना हो तो उसके लिए अलग स्क्रीन है, कोड लिखने के लिए अलग स्क्रीन है. To see the output is a different screen, जो हमें clarification देता है. Now from onwards we are not going to use Python interpreter, we are going to use only script mode. Okay class, now I am going to give you some assignments जो आपको सिर्फ script mode में ही करने हैं. And when you are writing the answers of code तो आप लोग सब लिख लेंगे, लेकिन you need to mention the steps. आपने script mode में कैसे लिखा? पहले आपने नोटपैड ओपन किया, फिर कोड लिखा, फिर आपने कैसे इसको Python IDLE में ओपन किया, राइट? जैसे कि राइट क्लिक किया, ओपन विद IDLE, फिर मैं रन पे गई, रन विद मॉड्यूल. तो you need to mention all the steps with the help of script mode. Okay class, thank you.